Hello everyone, this is Vlada from VLADA'S Place, and this video is just a quick tip on how to store fresh lettuce from your garden. Instead of waiting for the whole head to form and then pull entire plant, I pick little by little as the plant is maturing. I love having fresh lettuce on hand, and it's great for salads, for wraps, or for sandwiches, but it's especially good when it's cold and crisp. So basically you just need a glass bowl like this, pour some water in it, and make sure that the bottom part of the leaf is submerged in water so the leaf can continue to grow and stay fresh. You can do the same thing with the fresh onions. So when you're ready to cook, you don't have to run to your garden. You'll have the fresh onions in your fridge. I would make one suggestion, and that is to clean the outer layer of the onions first before you submerge them in a bowl. By the way, carrots is the same. Just pull it out, and I would suggest to rinse off the carrots first and to peel off the outer layers of the onions so the water stays cleaner and you don't mix all this dirt with your lettuce. Another important tip is to find time to enjoy your garden. Find time to just decompress and sit in it and absorb all the beauty that's around you. I hope this simple tip will be helpful to you. So once you have your vegetables picked, just put them in the fridge and leave them there until you're ready to use them. Thank you guys for watching. This is Vlada from VLADA'S Place, and if you like little videos like this, make sure to subscribe.